Good morning, good morning. Today is on the 12th of June. 12th of June. Yesterday we did an analysis over here. We were looking for potential buys above 23.05 over here. And we did get pushed from 23.05 all the way to take profit one. And then the market surpassed and went to almost take profit two. It not really hit the point that we really wanted, but it kind of got closer to take profit two. All right. So I hope that you manage to get the TP1 at least. And if you continue holding the market to take profit too, I hope you got out at this point. All right. Basically, that is what happened. The sales did not really happen, and the market was a bit slow. Of course, I told you after the NFP, the market tends to have to consolidate much so that it can make you can start creating a new move as to where the market is headed. But if you look at it, the way this market looks like, it's like the market is actually taking into a bearish move over here. If you look at this, look at that. That's a trend line over there where the market is actually pushing up and up and up and up and up. So today, something to keep in mind is that we have the CPI and we have the FOMC happening. So CPI at 3:30, FOMC happening at 9 p.m. Those are great. Two very great major news are going to be happening in the times 3:31, one at 3:30, the other one at 9 p.m. Kenyan time. So you want to be careful when you're trading at that time, yeah. Right, so let's see where the market is headed for today in terms of technicals. So that's fundamental in terms of technicals. This is what we have. Like we always do, we do a fresh new analysis today. Told you there's something about consistency. There's something about consistency. You gotta keep on doing it. You gotta keep on pushing until something happens, okay? It may seem like repeating itself, but you gotta keep on doing it. Once you create a way or a system for something to be done, you start reaping the rewards at that time. Right now, you just gonna keep on doing it. No giving up. It's not easy, but nobody said it's going to be easy either. So just gonna keep on doing it every morning. Every morning, every time, gonna keep on repeating yourself to make it consistent and to create a very nice system out of it. All right, we're on the daily chart. Daily chart, what do we have? We have a high over here for the daily. We have a high over there. In terms of the low comes on the same point. 4 hours. All right, so I can adjust this a bit to that point. 4 hours, what we have right now is basically actually what we have is this now. And you see what? I would want it to be like that, to fill all this week, to fill this whole week from this point to this point. That is what basically is holding the market from pushing up on this guy. So that's a whole zone, of course. It's a whole zone by itself over there. So we're going to put it here, but definitely we know that this is another whole zone by itself over here. Yep. Go to 1 hour. What we get on 1 hour? What we have on 1 hour is, sorry, back a bit, 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours, we could find a low. We have a low over here. Yeah. Sorry, I had forgotten to put that. We have this low over there on 4 hours. So we go on 1 hour so that we can get another low on 1 hour. So adjust this to down there. Then on 1 hour, we have this over here. I have this over there. So this is H4 support. H1, sorry, H1 support, and this one is H4. Like that. On 30 minutes, what do we have on 30 minutes? 30 minutes, we have a new low over here. This is a new low over here on 30 minutes. And the high is over there, of course, for all of them. So yeah, basically, yep. It's nothing much to be checked on. Let me show you what we're going to do with this. We're going to put this horizontal rays over here. One over there. like that. Put another one over here. Yeah, and like that, right? On this side down over here, we're gonna put over here. So over there. Yep. So basically, where the market is right now, it's at this point over here. And this whole area is a whole zone. I'm not really going to pick anything else. We're gonna look for potential buys above this area. Buys above 23.21. Potential buys above 23.21. Over there, we can go to TP1 over here. TP1. TP2. Over there, right? All right, so potential sales, aggressive, very aggressive sales over here. Potential. Potential aggressive sales below this point. This is going to be an aggressive sell, of course, because the area is too small, 23.11 over there. Yeah, then we need too much pressure for us to push down to TP1 and probably break and go to TP2. We need too much pressure for that, for the cells. The cells will need a lot of pressure to do that. But also remember, we have NFP, we have CPI today. So anything is possible, right? Anything is possible. So don't ignore it. Anything is possible, but TP1, TP2 only. I'm not even going to talk more about this. Let's just hold it at that point. But the buys over here, sorry. Come on. Okay. Over there. For the buys, we probably want to push all the way to this point. Once we get to this point, now we can push up very well, right? So yeah, we can say that's how I see the market today. That is how we see the market, a breakdown of the market. The reason why I'm not continuing over here because we have this point, so it's quite a lot of stuff going on over here. You can name that TP3, it doesn't really matter, TP4. But the thing is, for us to do a sell on gold, we need very good pressures. We need a lot of volumes. We need volumes to break these lows. But the good thing is today we have two news. We have the CPI and we have the FOMC. So anything can happen. You may be surprised when the market push all the way down like this with one or two candles. Or you may even get this whole fill up all the way to 23.87 over here. So anything can happen, right? Remember, when we get over here, this is going to be a free ride now all the way to up here. The only hard point is for the market to break from here to here. Once it gets to that take profit too, going all the way up to this point is going to be easy for the market. Right, so let's see. Let's keep an eye on those first of all. We trade this first of all as we look for 330. I may be doing a live one at 330. Still working on that. I may be trying to put my schedule in order. I may be doing a live session at that time. If I will be, I will try to communicate. Right. Great. All right, guys. See you next time tomorrow as we do this very nice analysis review of this and see. Hopefully, the market goes the way we are seeing it over here. Probably a break above 23.21 and a break below 23.11 and things like that. And from that point, we will be good to go. All right. Have a good day, guys. Trade what you see. not what you think. Remember that always.